Welcome back to Banoris Crafts. Today's project is a crochet wrapping mesh, a versatile decorative piece you can use to wrap around any bracelet or bangle. For this sample, I'm using a superfine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Let's get started. Tie a simple knot. Chain as many stitches as needed to wrap all the way around your bracelet. Checking the length against the bangle as you go. As an example, for this particular bangle and yarn weight, I chained 85, but your count may vary depending on your own bangle size and yarn. Then chain 6 more. Skip 4 chains. In the 5th one, work 1 single crochet. Chain 6. Skip 4 chains. In the 5th one, work 1 single crochet. Chain 6. And repeat this across the row. Just remember, each row should have this number of squares. For the next row, chain 6. In the first chain space, work 1 single crochet. Chain 6. In the next chain space, work 1 single crochet. And repeat this for the entire row. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this tutorial so far. And last one, chain 6. And 1 single crochet. And the next row, chain 6. In the next space, work 1 single crochet. And repeat again. Crochet as many rows as needed to wrap around and cover both the inside and outside width of the bangle. Now we have a large rectangle of mesh, so we can wrap it around the bangle. It's time to connect the ends together. To connect the ends, hold the mesh like this, chain 6, work 1 single crochet into the first chain space, and repeat across. For these two ends, repeat the same step. Chain 6, then work one single crochet. And repeat again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.